Hello and welcome parents to the elementary school virtual open house. My name is Mr. Peter. I'm the music teacher for first, second and third grade. I'm originally from Northern Ireland, but I've been living here in Barcelona for the past 20 years. And I've been working here at ASB for the past 12 years as a music teacher, but I've been working in the school since 2004. So that's a little bit about me. As I said, I teach first, second, and third grade music. This is the music room, and so this is where all the children in first, second, and third grade will come for their music class. They all have one class through the 6-day cycle. And a little bit about the program is we do a lot of singing and we play percussion instruments and we do creative movement. And then in third grade, we actually move into a recorder program and a ukulele program, which is in preparation for fourth grade, where the students get to choose an instrument. And so let me just explain a little bit about the music curriculum and how it's based. We have 3 pillars in our curriculum. The first is performing, where we want the kids to perform as much as they can, singing, playing instruments, dancing to music. And hopefully this year we'll have some live performances for the parents to come and see before the winter holidays. So look out for that. And the second pillar of our curriculum is listening and responding. That's really where the kids listen to pre-recorded music or live music, and then they get to analyze it, get to interpret it, and they get to talk about it, or they get to move creatively to the music. And the last pillar of our curriculum is creating, and obviously that's where the kids get to create their own music, they get to make up their own songs, they get to be creative with their movement, and they get to improvise on instruments. So that's a little bit about the program and a little bit about me. If you have any further questions, please feel free to get in contact with me. I'd only be too happy to talk to you. And if you're new at school, I want to welcome you to ASB. And if you're already been at the school, I want to say welcome back. So enjoy the year, and I hope to see you soon. Bye for now.